Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a USB flash drive bootable for your Windows 10 or 11. So you can do it like using official method, no need any third-party software. So I will show you how you can do this from the Microsoft official website. So first of all, just search Windows ISO file and come to this link like Microsoft software download link. Then you will see this page. From here you can directly install Windows in your PC using this method, the first one, and the second one they are telling to download the media creation tool. We will use this method to make our ISO bootable and our flash drive bootable using the ISO file. So first of all you have to download the media creation tool. So from here just download the media creation tool. I already downloaded it. So after that just open the media creation tool, install and open. So let me open my media creation tool. So from here you can see this is my media creation tool. I'm just going to open it and it will be opened. Just accept. After that you will see the language. So here I'm going to choose the English, and here I'm going to choose the Windows 11. Okay, so then next. So here you can see like you can download this like the ISO file, and also you can make this bootable directly in your USB flash drive. So I'm going to do this directly, make this bootable. So I already have connected my USB flash drive, and also you can see it at least it needs to be 8 GB. So then just select here and next, and here is my, you can see here is my USB flash drive. So just select it and next, and it will be starting. Just wait some time to like finish the process. Now you can see our flash drive is ready, but to be honest it's took some time, like 20-30 minutes. So you should know it will take some time, but eventually it will work. Now you can use your flash drive to install Windows to any computer. Thanks for watching.